Hello, good afternoon. How are you today? Yes, you have also met once again. As usual, my name is Evans Ifuate Kwao, and a teacher of CIA in Cambodia Intellectual Academy. Yeah, today I also have another lesson to share with you. But before we start today's lesson, let's take 2 minutes to review our previous lesson. What was the letter that we learned on the last time? Okay, if you're able to say letter O, you are correct. What is the sound for letter O? Like this. Good. So what are some words that also start with the sound O or letter O? Okay. We also talk about orange. 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 Okay. What next? Yeah, we also talk about octopus. 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 Okay, good. Now today we are going to learn a letter after letter O, or a letter before letter Q. What letter is that? Okay, yes, okay. So today we are going to learn letter P. Letter P. Letter P. Now, this is the uppercase P, or the big letter P, and this one is the lowercase p, or small letter P. Good. Good. So as I said earlier on, this one is the uppercase P, and this is the lowercase p. We normally call it the capital or the big letter P and the small letter p. Now, letter P has a sound, and this is how the sound comes from. You make your hand as a candle, and then you are trying to puff off the candle. That is puh, 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 puh. So this is how we get the sound for letter P, and here is the sound. Good. So you say P, 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 P. Okay, you can practice with me. Always don't forget to remember this one. Okay, let's go together. P, 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 P. Okay, so if you're able to say letter P and P, 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 then correct, you are in the right way. Good. Now I have some pictures to show you that also start with the sound P, and that will help us to understand the sound very well. Now the first picture, I'm going to demonstrate how the function of that picture. We normally use to write. We use that object to write. Yes? What has come to your mind? We use that object that I'm come to show you in my picture to write. Yes? Okay. So if you are able to say pen, then you are correct. So we use pen to write. We use pen to write. And we say pen, pen. Good. So now this is a real pen. Yes, so I am talking about this one. Okay? Yes, so I'm talking about real pen. Okay, so we use the pen to write. Good. Okay. So now we are going to learn how we can use the sound to pronounce the word. So we are starting. Pay attention and let's do it together. Okay, let's go. P, pen. P, pen. P, pen. Don't forget, we always use pen to write. Okay, good job. So now you can practice with me. P, pen. Okay, good. Now, the next object that is coming is, let me say, is a brother or a sister to this one, pen. But for that, we used to draw. We used to draw. We used to draw. We used to draw. Okay, the object coming, we used to draw. So I normally call it as brother of pen. Yes. So we used to draw. Yes, what do you think I'm coming to show you? Okay. Yes. This is a brother of pen, and we use this one always to draw. We used to draw. We used to draw. How do you call it? Pencil. 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 Good. Okay, now good. So say P, pencil. P, pencil. Don't forget, we use pencil to draw. We used to draw a tree. We used to draw anything that you like. We use pencil to draw. P, pencil. P, pencil. P, pencil. So now you can practice with me. Okay? Good job. If you're able to go with this direction, P, pencil, then you are correct. Okay. Now the last picture that I have for you is an animal, and it also bark like dog. Okay, it also bark like dog. Yes, but very dangerous than dog. Yes. What animal do you think? I'm come to show you. Okay, so I may come to show you this. Okay, yeah, it also bark like dog, but very dangerous than dog. So how do you call it? If you're able to say panda, then you are correct. Panda, panda, panda. Good. Okay, so now let's use the sound to pronounce this one too. P, p, panda. Ooh, don't forget how it bark. P, p, panda. Ooh. P, p, panda. Now I have shown you all the pictures. Now let's look at how we write their names. Okay, so the first picture, what's its name? P, pen. Okay, good. Pen. Okay, pen. Good. So we write pen. P-E-N. P, pen. Pen. P-E-N. Good. The next one is P, pencil. P, pencil. And we write pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Okay, so now let's take it once again. P, pencil. Okay, now the last one here is panda, and this is how we write panda. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. 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 Now let's spell panda again. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Good. So now we know the letter name, its sound. P, 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 pen. P, pencil. P, panda. Okay, now so we know the letter name, its sound, and some words that also start with the sound P or with the letter P. So now let's learn how to write letter P. To write letter P, you first write a line. You start at a point like this, and then you come downwards. like this. And after that, you draw a semicircle to join the line. So this is the semicircle. Also, you curl to left, and then you come like this. So this is the uppercase P. This is the uppercase P. So now let's trace and make it a full P. As I told you earlier on, you start at a point, you draw a line, you come downwards slowly. P. Okay, to make it a little bit different from the lowercase, that's why we did this one too. After that, you draw a semicircle to join the line. Okay, so you start from the line, then you curl to right, and you turn to left to join the line again. So this is letter P and the uppercase P. The lowercase is also the same process that we used to write the uppercase P. Okay, so now also you draw a line like this. You join with a semicircle or half circle. Okay, now we can trace to make it 4P. Okay, slowly, then you join with your semicircle like this. Good. So this is letter P. You have the uppercase P and the lowercase P. Okay, now let's go over. This is letter P, and it sound P. And all of these are some objects that start with the sound P. So let's take them one after the other. Okay, now P, pen. P, pen. P, pencil. P, pencil. Don't forget, we use pencil to draw. We used to draw. Okay. P, panda. P, panda. And to read pen, you have P, E, N. For pencil, P, E, N, C, I, L. And the last is panda. To read panda, P, A, N, D, A. Okay, good. So now, a length, if you go through with this one, you read towards it, it will be good. Okay, so I will end my lesson here, and I will tell you to follow us through our YouTube and Facebook channels for more video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.